We've done one detail. Now we need to crochet the second one, which will be mirrored to the first one. The main difference in crocheting the second detail is that it will be made with a yarn break. The bottom part of the piece is crocheted identically. So, we start by making a chain of 59 chain stitches, plus 1 turning chain, and then crochet 29 arches in width and 10 arches in height. We've made the canvas, which consists of 29 arches in width and 10 arches in height. Cut the yarn, pull up the loop, hide the tail, and turn your work to the wrong side. Count 25 stitches from the right edge and place a marker in the 25th stitch. This is the point of joining the yarn. Before attaching the yarn, unwind the raffia for about 3 meters. We will use this raffia later. I have already joined the yarn. We can remove the marker now. Next, we continue our project. We start with a row of double crochets plus chain stitch. In total, we need to crochet 17 arches in width and 5 arches in height. This means we will repeat our rapport 5 times in height and finish the row with single crochets. Let's start. Work 2 turning chains and 1 chain for the pattern. Skip 1 stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch. 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch. And so on. We've completed the height of the handle, which consists of 17 arches in width and 5 arches in height, and finished the row with single crochets. In the last arch, we crochet 1 single crochet only. Our canvas is turned with the right side facing, and we don't cut the raffia yarn. Now we should attach the reserved raffia yarn. Find the second turning chain for this. Here is this stitch. Took a 3.5 mm hook and make a chain for the bag handle. Secure the loop with a marker to prevent it from unraveling. Join the yarn for the handle to the second turning chain. Pull up a loop through this second chain stitch, and make a chain of 48 chain stitches. (47) 48. Fasten off, cut the yarn, leaving a small tail, which we will later hide. And return to crocheting at the point where the marker is located. We proceed to work on crocheting the chain of chain stitches with single crochets. In total, we need to crochet 48 single crochets in the chain. We will continue using a 3.5 mm hook. Work the second single crochet into the last chain 1 space. Then work single crochets along the chain in the back bumps. Here's the back bump. Work single crochet into it. The next single crochet into the back bump. The next one. Continue till the end of the row. We have completed the handle with 48 single crochets using a 3.5 mm hook. We won't need it anymore today. Next, we will continue working with a 4 mm hook. Turn your work and crochet our main pattern rapport 2 times in height. In total, we should have 41 arches in row, 24 arches after crocheting the handle and 17 arches from the main canvas. We have 4 rows left to crochet, and we will finish with a row of single crochets. So, let's start crocheting. 2 chain stitches as a turning chain, 1 chain for the pattern, skip 1 stitch, double crochet into the next stitch. The detail is finished. Now we need to crochet on 3 sides around the detail. Then we will join the handle and crochet the inner part of the handle. To crochet around the piece, attach the yarn at this point and crochet similarly to the first piece. Single crochet in the row of single crochets, 2 single crochets in the arch. Crochet the bottom part with single crochets in each stitch. Work 3 single crochets in the corners. Join the handle as we did with the first piece. Create a false stitch through the first double crochet stitch of the side edge. Here is this stitch. Tighten it. We've got a smooth edge. Turn your work. Place a marker in the 7th loop from the edge. This is where we will finish joining the handle. Join it with slip stitches. First, insert the hook in the back loop of the main canvas, then insert in the loop of the handle. Finish with a slip stitch. Pull up the yarn, fasten off and hide the tail. Our piece is ready. Don't forget to crochet the side of the handle. Before assembling the piece, it needs to be steamed. I do this with a steamer, but you can also use an iron and slightly damp fabric.